thank you for joining us, Head of Sales and Innovation at Cirp. You have joined forces with Formnext this year and organized the purmundus challenge. Tell us about the purmundus challenge.
Purmundus challenge is a design contest for additively manufactured products.
And the last 10 years have been a journey for additive manufacturing.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely they have. And that's what this retrospective view of the different winners of the last 10 years really show. That there is a development and that it has come to real manufacturing, to real useful products.
And how have you seen additive manufacturing progress over these past 10 years?
Well, generally a lot, but people look as well at the applications as how to combine material and process, as how to make a really good design. And because at the end it's a design contest.
What are the developments in the business models of these companies? Like you said, small SMEs, big companies, they've all won Purmundus Challenge at some point.
Yeah, there are students with ideas. Some of these ideas will go into startups, and we are happy as Cirp, as a service provider, that we could help some of them really producing their products.
What are the expectations? I mean, the past 10 winners, what do they bring to the community of additive manufacturing?
Oh, well, that's a difficult question, and we had several winners every year, but I think it always has been a view into the future, and the future has come true for many things. So especially for people with special needs, you see quite a number of good samples how you can how you can assist people with special needs, and I believe that has become true over the last 10 years, and very good samples have been winners of the Purmundus Challenge.
Very nice. Mr. Lück, thank you for your encouraging words really regarding the industry and how it's grown. And I thank you for your time, and thank you for showing us around, and we are excited to be here when the champagne bottles pop.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your time.